Erupted in uncomfortable murmurs. Marcus continued, warming to his critique. I've spent 30 years in this industry. I've worked with Adele, Ed Sheeran, Sam Smith, artists with world-class technique. What do Filipino street singers have? Karaoke skills and YouTube covers. That's not artistry. That's imitation.
Dugi hapon,
He gestured
signaling gawas.
dismissively toward the young woman. Your voice might work in Manila shopping malls,
Miming?
but international audiences demand sophistication, control, technical excellence. Street singing doesn't translate to professional recording. Several British executives in the room nodded in agreement. Marcus pointed at the microphone setup. This is Abbey Road Studios, where the Beatles recorded, where legends are made. You think someone who learned to sing on street corners belongs here? I've turned away conservatory graduates with better credentials than
Ming.
whatever you're about to show me.
Ning!
Sophia Cruz stood quietly by the microphone, her face calm
Yapon.
despite the humiliation. At 24 years old, one used by countless legends. Several executives checked their watches. One was already texting. The studio fell silent as Sophia
Sus Miming, tugnaw naman sa kuha na Miming.
and began to sing. She chose Anak, a Filipino classic known to every Filipino, but unfamiliar to most international audiences. But she didn't sing it the way it was traditionally performed. She opened with a technique called Kumbia, a Filipino vocal style that uses subtle emotional ornamentation, allowing the voice to breathe and bend in ways that Western training often discourages. The voice started soft, almost vulnerable, then built
Nahani ka ni?
that made every person in the room lean forward. Marcus Sterling's arms slowly uncrossed. What he was hearing
Wala
was
Miming.
street singing. It was technically flawless, but emotionally devastating. A combination he rarely encountered even from artists with decades of training. Sophia's voice had the power of gospel, the control of classical opera, and the soul of someone who had lived every word she sang. She bent notes in ways that Western singers couldn't, using techniques passed down through generations of Filipino vocalists. Subtle vibrato, controlled breathiness, emotional ornamentation that came from Harana and Kumbaya traditions. At the 1-minute mark, something remarkable happened. The other executives in the room stopped checking their phones. The sound engineer leaned forward, adjusting levels he didn't need to adjust, just to have something to do with his hands. Marcus Sterling's skeptical expression was transformed into something else. Confusion mixed with awe and the uncomfortable realization that he might
Titi kungkung. Nawa eh.
carried a quality that couldn't be taught in conservatories. It was the sound of someone who had sung through rain on Manila streets. But emotion was
Good night.
transcendence.
Good night, Snowy.
Was perfect, but
Good night.
every note meant something. At the 92nd
Night,
mark,
Miming.
something happened that Marcus
Sus, di kungkung Miming.